Asim? Tamis naman ah. Okay. You do it. It's your turn. Take that one off. You missed that one. Snacks. Snack. Nice. Fruits. Kain po kami slice of apple at saka orange at saka grapes.
Shapes.
Good girl, Lillian. Yummy. Wala tayong strawberry eh. Sorry. Wow. Yummy. Grapes. Yummy. Yummy. Nice. Jake, sit down here, Langga. Jake, sit down here. Come on, sit down here. Sit next to the Lilian. Jake, Jake. Jake, oh. Ready. Nice. Round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Jake, come on. More grips, Jake. Swish. Out to the town. And the bus go cling. Ting.
Daddy.
That is working lang. After nila mag-milk, ayan. Fruit trip na naman sila. Quack. What's the face for? You like grapes? Do you like manong Jake? You should sit there. Ito ka. Sige na. Sit down here. Ray. Sit down. Oh no. Pogi point tanay. Pogi point. Yay, pogi point. Again, pogi point. Yay, pogi point. Ding. Pogi point na. O, touch na lang, mama. Touch. Good boy. Lilian, touch, tita. Touch. Touch. Bless na lang kami mga tita. Bless. Muna, bless, ah. Muna, bless, ah. Muna. God bless you. Bless.
Miss.
Okay. Go round and round all through the town. Sarap, Lily. Nice. Yummy. Hickory dickory dock. Paborito niya rin pala ang ubas. Good girl, Lily. Laro na. Parehas lang yan sila, kakapalit lang ng diaper eh. Tapos nagdidi, ng milk. Tapos after ng milk, ayan, merienda sila. Prutas. Orange, slice of apple, at saka grapes. Nakisali din si mami. Tick-tock. La, where's your tummy? Eh, gawin mo tummy, oh. Takpan mo tummy mo. Sarado yung tummy, ang bintiyan mo, oh. Busog ng tummy, busog? Ah? Busog na, busog. Busog. Kuya usog. Hindi pa yan nila lunch. Snacks lang yan ng mga prutas. Nag-milk sila, nag-prutas, nag-yogurt. After ng breakfast nila kanina, breakfast nila chicken soup with bread. Tapos maya-maya konti nag-snacks ng yogurt. Tapos ngayon lang nag-milk at ngayon nasundan ng mga fruits. Maya-maya pag lunch time, ang lunch nila up. Where you going? Where you wanna go? Up? Sige, let's go up. Up daw. Iwan ko kung saan ang up ang gusto niya. Up. Ouch. Up. Out. Out. Okay. Up ka? Up. Mag-up daw siya eh. Diyan siya sa up. Ikaw up din? Up din? Yan, marunong na yun umakyat. Marunong ka na up. You go up. Marunong ka na eh. Pabibi ka pa. Pabibi pa to eh. Aroy, dami ng labahan ni Jacob. Yan na ang labahan ni Jacob Christopher. Puno na. Ano gawa mo dyan? Ano gawa niyo dalawa dyan? Jay, careful with Lillian. Careful. Jay, careful. Lily, oh. What's this, Lily? Play lang ga, oh. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Come on. Nice. Here's your Jacob, oh. You got yours too. Here's your Jacob, oh. Come on. Ikaw, Lilian is yours. Naghanap pa talaga ng stick, eh. Demand to, eh. Demanding, oh. Here's yours, Lily, oh. Lily, look like this, oh. Like this, look. Careful with the stick, ha? Matamaan kayo. Good, mga badyaw, ha? Mga badyaw kayo? Like this, Jacob, oh. Lily, what's the like this, oh? Come on. No. Good boy, good girl. Stick. Sige na, do it. Yay! Yay! Careful with the stick. Careful.